Hi, in this video we'll show you how to transfer product data between stores with translations. The product data is in the Matrixify format, and although Matrixify does not support translations, we can use the Altera app to do the same thing. So let's get started. The first step will be to export the data from our source store using Altera. So we can go here to New Export and choose the fields we want, or we can go directly to the Shopify admin, either select the products we want to export here and export them, or if it's a single product, we can go down here, choose more actions, and export with Altera. This will take us to the app, and we see we have a preset filter for the product ID. In our example, we'll also bring over the image information and metafields. And now here we have the data that we're exporting, so we already have the product selected, and we'll just select the translations as well. You'll notice down here that the app will automatically match the filters, so we're just going to export the translations with this product ID, with the language being equal to French. So now we'll go over here and click Start Export, and the app will go through and first download the products and then all our translation data. Once we have this, we can download the output, then we'll take a look at the output and import it into our new store. So here we have the product export with translations from Altera. You'll notice that the format looks similar to Matrixify and is compatible with the Matrixify format. However, we also have this translations tab, which is different. There's some columns here that you'll see in the standard Shopify admin export, such as type and identification, and the default content and the translated content over here on the right. However, Altera will also provide you with a handle for the individual products being exported, as well as a parent handle. So the parent handle in this case is the product handle, which groups all the different types of translations into a single object. The handle itself is used in conjunction then with the type field. So for the meta field, for example, we know it's the custom.subtitle meta field that belongs to the Alpine Ski Wax product. The same thing for the product options. The handle for the product options and the product option values are one-based counters for the option name. So option 1 would be number 1, option 2 number 2, etc. And so here we see that for option 1, for example, the default content is size, and then in French it's time. So once we have this file, because we have the handles, we can transfer it between stores without needing to have the parent ID match directly. Let's go ahead and do that. Now back in the Shopify admin, we'll go over to our new store, and we see that we don't have any products here. So what we can do is we can go over to open the Altera app, and we will upload the file. We'll choose our latest export, bring that in, and the app will analyze the file. It shows that the product is fine. With translations, everything is fine. All the columns are recognized. We just have a warning that this is a new feature, so double check everything and make sure you have a backup first. Once this all looks good, we'll just click Start Import, and the app will import the product and translations data for us. This shouldn't take too long to process, and one nice thing about the app is that you can see some of the results directly from here. So instead of having to download the export file after the export completes to find the URL, I can just either click on it here, which will load up the product, or if I need to, I can always open it up in a new tab to see the full product here. Same thing with the translation. So if we go here, we see that we have the different translated values, and then on the new store, we can see that the translations for these have transferred over correctly. So that's really all there is to it. It's a simple process of exporting the data from the old store, including the translations. That translation export will include handles that we can use to match the translations with the correct values on the new store. You can find Altera for free on the Shopify App Store, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.